Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Detailed Recipes channel. You will see several types of traditional Turkish food in this video. Lamb kebab, pita with minced meat, tirit, butter bread for breakfast. Lamb kebab starts by roasting the meat in the oven over high heat. Meats are cooked on low heat for 4 hours in a special animal fat mixture. As a result, plain and very tasty soft meats are served with pita. Serving can be 100 grams, 150 grams, 200 or 250 grams on request. This amount is 250 grams. This amount is 150 grams. This amount is 100 grams. Also, this kebab multi-eating contests are held. You can see people eating up to 2.5 kilograms of this meat. You can watch how this kebab is made in its detailed recipe on my channel. Other traditional dish, pita with ground meat. Actually this is known as meat bread that you see. It is made with a larger and larger amount of ingredients than pita with minced meat. Pita with minced meat can be 50 to 60 centimeters long, this pita is 100 to 120 centimeters. A double portion is calculated as 3 meters, one portion is quite satisfying for me. Its ability to stretch in this way depends entirely on the use of a special wheat flour. I have a separate video on how this long pita is made, you can watch it. For those who do not want to eat meat, pita with cheese can be made. Grated cheddar is added and the edges of the dough are folded so that the cheese does not flow. The dough is then stretched on the oven paddle and the cheese is baked until golden brown. Other traditional Turkish dish Tirid Kebab. It is prepared like Adana kebab with minced lamb, parsley, a little onion and salt. Adana kebabs are cut after being cooked on oak charcoal. It is added to the boat-shaped casseroles by cutting pita. Whipped strained yogurt is prepared in a creamy consistency and added to bread. The cut kebab meat is added to the stew. Tomato and green pepper. There is a special cooking oven for browning meats from the top. The meats are fried by giving high heat for 1 to 2 minutes. The special feature of this dish is the special water prepared with 40 kinds of spices and broth. After the meats are fried, 1.5 scoops of special boiling water is added. Finally, fried butter is added and served. Tirid Kebab is a dish made during the Ottoman Seljuk period. Its spicy water is healing. Breakfast breads with butter. It is called fat loaf bread in Turkish. Pitas are opened in a round shape, added with sesame seeds and puffed in the oven. They cut and open breads and butter and cheese varieties are added first. Adding cheddar cheese and moldy Konya cheese. I should mention that this moldy cheese has antibiotic properties. Is closed, butter will be added and baked in the oven. Other varieties are Turkish sausage and pastrami breads. Butter, cheeses, sausage and veal bacon are added and mixed together. After being cooked, the breads get a crispy consistency and are cut and served hot. It can be a very good option with fruit juice for breakfast.
İki et ekmek bir tane abi. Mayalanmadı ama. Aynısı böyle bak.
Click the bell icon to get notification of the newest videos. Turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the new video.